Unlock crystal clear audio for your Nikon D3500 videos by mastering microphone essentials, from its built-in mic to external powerhouses. Your Nikon D3500's built-in microphone is surprisingly capable to access Settings. Navigate to the playback menu, then select Settings and then Audio. You'll see an option for microphone sensitivity for general use. Setting this to high will capture more ambient sound. However, if you're in a noisy environment, consider lowering it to normal or even low to reduce background interference and prevent audio distortion. Even with the built-in mic, small improvements make a big difference. Consider using a simple fluffy windscreen. It doesn't need to be fancy. Even those made for voice recorders can help minimize whine noise when shooting outdoors, significantly improving your audio clarity. For truly professional audio, an external microphone is key. The D3500 has a 35mm external microphone jack. Simply plug in your external mic, often a shotgun mic, directly into this port. This bypasses the internal mic and gives you much more control and a cleaner sound. Now, let's talk placement when using an external microphone, especially a shotgun mic. Position it as close to your subject as possible without appearing in the frame. Aim it directly at the sound source, your subject's mouth. This direct targeting drastically reduces room, echo and aphaxis noise, resulting in much richer and clearer dialogue. After connecting an external mic, the D3500 should automatically detect it. Double-check the audio settings in your playback menu to ensure the correct input is selected. You may also find an auto level option. While convenient, experienced users often prefer to set it manually to manual and adjust the gain, giving them ultimate control over the audio levels. Experiment with these settings in your specific shooting environment to find the sweet spot for pristine sound.